Is your image slightly tilted? Here's how to straighten it on Befunky. First, open your image in the Befunky editor. In the left toolbar, select the Straighten tool. A grid will appear on your photo to help guide you. Simply adjust the slider to straighten your image. Befunky will rotate the image to make it level. Once you have aligned everything, click Apply to confirm the changes. Use the grid as a guide to make sure your horizons and lines are perfectly straight. How often do you use Straighten tool? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.